In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on Google Chat using the mobile app. Let's get started right where you are. Begin by opening the Google Chat app on your phone. Give it a moment to load. You'll land on your chat screen. If you've used chat before, you might see recent conversations. If you're brand new, that's fine. You'll still see the main screen where you can start a fresh conversation. To begin a new conversation, tap the New Chat button. It looks like a plus symbol, often labeled New Chat, and it's typically located near the bottom or top edge of the screen depending on your device. This is your quick gateway to reaching someone directly without scrolling through old threads. Now, search for or select the person you want to message. You can start typing their name in the search bar at the top, and matching contacts will appear as you type. If the person you want is already visible in the suggested list, simply tap them. If you see multiple people with similar names, look for helpful details like their profile picture or email domain to confirm it's the right contact. If nothing shows up at first, double-check the spelling and try again. Once you see the correct person, tap their name. This opens a clean conversation window dedicated to that contact. You'll notice the chat area in the middle, and most importantly, your message box at the bottom of the screen. Tap inside the message box to place your cursor and bring up your keyboard. Type your message clearly and concisely. You can keep it short for a quick check-in or write a more detailed note if you need to share context. If you pause for a moment, your text stays in the box until you're ready to send, so there's no rush. When your message looks good, tap Send. The Send button appears as an arrow icon, often resembling a small paper airplane, on the right side of the message box. After you tap it, your message will appear in the conversation thread. If the network is momentarily slow, just wait a second, and it will go through as soon as your connection allows. That's it. You opened the Google Chat app, started a new chat, found the right person, tapped their name, entered your text in the message box, and sent your message with the arrow icon. You can repeat these same steps anytime you want to start another conversation. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.